So I'm just walking down to Broadsands Beach, just between Berry Narber and Watermouth on the North Devon coast. This beach, you might recognise it by name, you might have been there if you're lucky enough, but if you see all those guides on secret beaches and the most idyllic beaches in the UK, then Broadsands is always there. But there was a landslide a couple of days ago, so I wanted to have a little investigate, because they've only just reopened this about a year and a half ago, maybe a bit longer, where they fixed some of the access, because it's a lot of steps down. But it looks like it may be some time before people can get down here again. So just going to tread very carefully here. Bit of a sign here. Okay, obviously they do not want anyone getting too close, so I'm going to be very careful here and just see how far we can see without getting silly. So this bit seems alright at the moment, but the one single photo I've seen on local social media looked pretty horrendous. You couldn't really tell the scale of it, but it looked pretty huge. Well, I'm not going to do anything stupid here, but from what I've heard, it is a huge chunk of land that who knows whether the step access will ever be repaired again. Okay, this section's all good, it's all solid round here. And there is a little taster. There's little coves down there. Obviously it looks a lot nicer when spring has fully sprung. It's all green. Whoa, oh my word. Whoa. That is pretty serious. I think that was part of the new section. It was about 18 months old, maybe 2 years old, and it did head straight off in that direction. Wow. It's going to be some earthworks to reinstate this lot. That's a bit of a mess. I don't want to get any closer because I value my life. But this is the spot. There's a number of little coves down there. So it looks like it's going to be kayak access only for a while. I don't even know where you'd begin fixing a problem like this. How do you even start to make it even vaguely safe before you can start working on it? I don't know, but the steps, just that V just down in front there was where the steps sort of descended down the other side. Crikey, what a shame. Well, not such a shame for me because I've got a kayak. And it's a 5-minute paddle from beautiful Coombe Martin. But yeah, that is a serious shame, and it's come at a time of year where, well, I suppose much better it happened now when there was no one around. The potential for people getting hurt there is quite scary, but as you can see from the signage up top that I just naughtily walked around, no one's going to be heading off this direction for a while. Anyway, just thought I'd give you an update because I've not seen much on social media apart from one single photo. So there you go. Broadsands Beach, landslide, March 2025. I wonder how long before the next person will be able to descend down those steps. There you go. Stay safe, people.